Yeah, it's electorally is good when you're instantly recognisable at the doorstep. Of course there are two sides to it. I remember one time I went out in the local elections, in the last local elections, canvassing for. Was it the last local elections? I think it was. Maybe it was the one before. I'm not sure. Canvassing for Avril Power, who has since left us, and at the instigation of some mutual friends of ours, and we were up in an estate in Dublin, and it was a very bad, gloomy, wet night, about 7 o'clock, and the first three doors nobody answered. It wasn't a very strong Fianna Fáil area, I'll put it like that. The first three doors nobody answered, and the fourth door, a very grumpy individual came out into the porch, looked out, spotted the Fianna Fáil logos. I was standing behind. Now, all my fellow canvassers were females in their 20s and 30s, and he saw a whole lot of very attractive ladies outside, and sort of a smile came over his face, and he said, "Who, you're canvassing for Fianna Fáil?" "Yeah." Next thing he saw me, and he said, "You've got expletive deleted from Limerick," which that's the other side.
Yeah.